Muslim English Language Institute.
Listen to the dialogue about vacation, using the same idioms and the English translation. Situation: Chris and Mary are on vacation. It's a good thing this B&B was able to put us up for the night.
It's a good thing this hotel offering bed and breakfast was able to lodge us for the night.
All the hotels in town were booked solid.
All the hotels in town were completely filled.
So, what should we do now?
So what should we do now?
Hey, I have an idea.
Hey, I have an idea.
Tonight, let's grab a cab and hit the town.
Tonight, let's take a taxi cab and go into town.
Maybe we can go sightseeing before dinner.
Maybe we can go visit the interesting places before dinner.
And since we are on vacation, we can stay up till all hours of the night and sleep in tomorrow.
And since we are on vacation, we can stay awake until very late and sleep later than usual tomorrow.
Great! Then in the afternoon, we can take a dip and hang out by the pool.
Great! Then in the afternoon, we can go swimming and relax and do nothing by the pool.
It'll be nice to soak up some sun.
It'll be nice to sunbathe.
And tomorrow night, we could take in a movie.
And tomorrow night, we could go to the movies.